Sandy Joys!
Hello, friends. Are you ready for some Sandy fun? Let's draw and color together. Sand art is so much fun.
The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel. The monkey chased the weasel. The monkey thought 'twas all in good fun. Pop goes the weasel. A penny for a spool of thread, a tuppence for a needle. That's the way the money goes. Pop goes the weasel.
That was fantastic. Thank you for being such wonderful artists. I'll see you in the next video for more sand art fun.